Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Friday morning. It's great to be here today. Um, I'm excited for today. We've got some fun stuff going on. Jess Mercer is bringing some art kits for us. So if you're picking up lunch today, or picking up your packet, or if you can just make a trip over to Achieve, come and pick up your art kit today and say hi to Jess. I'll be there saying hi to people too. Good morning, Presley. Hi, Grammy. Hi, Lori. Hi, Owen. Hi, Lily. Good morning, Mrs. Wright. Well, let's get started and do the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. Hey, Ray and Vivian, that was fun seeing you at the park yesterday. Hi, Smith girls. Hi, Lotta's. Good morning, Mrs. Taylor. Hi, Wright girls. Hi, Niels. Good morning, Mrs. Morris. All right, we've got a lot of people jumping on here. Let's start rolling through some stuff. So we got some birthdays this weekend. Actually, I just saw the Niels hop on there. Isla, it's your birthday tomorrow. I hope you have a great birthday. Also, Hunter in 8th grade and Cage have birthdays on Saturday. And then it's Lily in 7th grade's birthday on Sunday. So make sure you wish those guys some happy birthdays this weekend. We've got some great shout outs for people this week using our battle breathing strategy and really planning their day well to manage their stress and take good care of their body. I like all the healthy choices and things that people have sent in. I want to give a huge shout out first to Mrs. Smith for making that battle breathing video. Mrs. Smith, tons of people loved your video. I know we loved it at our house, and it's helping us to think about using breathing as a way of calming ourselves, but in a really productive way. So thanks for that, Mrs. Smith. So let's start with some shout outs this week. This is like our virtual award. So if you're getting a shout out today, you're getting our virtual award this week for working hard and showing our virtues. Starting with, you know what, I'm going to give one to my girls. Reagan and Audrey have been using battle breathing every day this week. They've used it when they're frustrated or when they need to focus or when they need to calm down. It's been really cool to see them using that. Our next one, Susie the lunch lady responded to my email looking for shout outs. And you know what? She just wanted to tell you guys that she's stressed because she can't go to work right now and she misses you guys. So she said, please tell everybody that I said hi and don't forget to eat your fruits and veggies. So a little message from Susie the lunch lady there. Got one from Aaron in middle school to his parents. He wants to give his parents a shout out because they've been working super hard, and he said he just wants to give them a shout out. So sometimes we need to hear that. Nice job, Aaron. That's super cool, shouting out your parents. Mrs. Etchison in middle school wants to give a shout out to all of middle school. She said they have a lot of students who are reaching out because they feel overwhelmed and that they've accepted help. And she said, I'm proud of them for not giving up. Middle school, I'm super proud of you. That is like one of the top strategies you can use when you are feeling overwhelmed and you go get help. That is huge. That's like that's a strategy that's going to help you your whole life, and especially in school. Your teachers are here for a reason. They've got a job and they can help you. Next one goes out. This is from Presley's mom to Presley. She says, this week has been an important one for Presley. We've been struggling with her getting easily frustrated, but planning out her day in the morning and taking a deep breath or a break when she gets frustrated has helped her a lot. She's been working really hard this week, and we are very proud of her taking steps to become a better home learner. Nice job, Presley. Good job. Way to be aware of what you need to work on. I like that. Presley's mom also says, thanks to all the teachers and staff who are making this experience better. We appreciate you. Thank you, Presley's mom. Parents, we appreciate you guys so much too. This shout out's coming in right now, live. Valerie Pinocchio, she's saying it's so very hard for these kids to ask for help. Yeah, it is so hard. Like, that's why it's so cool when kids are asking for help right now, because you got to take some big steps. You got to like go online and send an email or a text or call somebody. Like, it's a lot more work to ask for help. Plus, sometimes it doesn't feel good to ask for help. Like that asking for help one is really, really huge. It's very, very hard to do, but nice job to the people who are getting help when they need it. Our next shout out's from Alyssa and Sophie's mom. She says Alyssa has been trying to make a list every night before going to bed for the next day. I've heard of people doing that before, and I really like that one, Alyssa. You know, some people find that they get really worried about what's coming in the future, and making that list a day ahead of time just helps you calm down and actually rest better at night. And then, of course, when you wake up the next morning, you're ready to go. You don't even need to take time working on your list. So I like that strategy, Alyssa. Very cool. Sophie's following in her footsteps and trying to do the same, and both of the girls have been practicing the battle breathing and said it helps, and they've also been doing Cosmic Kids yoga to help relax themselves. I like that. I like how people are sharing their other strategies. Yoga is a great one. I didn't even mention that this week, but a great strategy for taking care of yourself. From Jack F's mom, shout out to Jack for working hard this week to keep up with his schoolwork while recognizing when he needs to find ways to relieve stress. That's the huge key, right? Jack, you're in middle school, so you're probably starting to get this down, but recognizing when we need to relieve stress is huge, and even a struggle for adults. Here's some other things Jack's doing. He's making daily lists and checking things off. He's taking breaks outside with the dogs and family and getting some sunshine, going on family walks around the neighborhood. He's playing his clarinet. Nice, we got other people out there playing music this week. He's checking in with his friends for some social time. That's a great strategy we should have talked about this week. Check in with your friends. Man, if you're feeling stressed and tired, give one of your friends a phone call. Like, Jack, I wish I would have thought of that earlier this week. That's a great strategy. And shout out for going to bed at a decent hour and getting some rest. Very good job, Jack. Nice job. From Ben's mom, shout out to Ben, who's been practicing his breathing when his sister is frustrating him. Wow, Ben, that's a tough one. Good job. And another person who's starting to recognize when they need to see this, when they need to do these strategies, because she also said that he's telling mom when he needs to breathe and that he notices when he's stressed. That's huge, Achieve. If you can notice when you're stressed, wow, that's awesome. Then you can do something about it. You know, there's people out there that maybe battle breathing isn't even the right technique, but anybody who can recognize that you're stressed and you need to do something about it, you can definitely keep trying and finding techniques until you get one that works. That's awesome, Ben. This next one is from Tyler and Liam's dad. He says that they would like to shout out Liam and Tyler for their ultimate flexibility. He said, I know this was the virtue from a few weeks ago, but they've really taken it to heart. This has been a week with numerous life and parent and work interruptions. Both kids jumped in the car and adjusted their work to allow their parents the ability to complete a necessary work task or meeting. Nice job, boys. I saw that you guys spent some time up at your property and your house is starting to get rolling. That's pretty exciting. And he also says their continued focus on getting schoolwork done and getting out is amazing. Good job, Tyler and Liam. I'm super proud of you. Way to be flexible. The next one is from Logan and Cena's mom. She talks about how they took a break, they took a walk. They actually live kind of close to Lake Orville, and they were able to just walk the dog and ride the bike down to Lake Orville while they listened to some music on Pandora on the way. Nice job. That's a great way to take a break. And she mentioned another good strategy that I've seen other people doing this week, which is doing your homework outside. So she says they're doing their homework outside in the driveway in front of their garage. I had noticed some people doing their work in their backyard this week, or sitting out in the shade somewhere. Nice job. Good job, Achieve. A way to learn more about yourself this week and take care of yourself. That's pretty amazing. Don't forget, today Jess Mercer is going to be at Achieve passing out art kits from 11 to 12:30. I saw some people making some arrangements for someone else to pick up your packet for you. That's totally fine. Do that if you need to. Make sure you guys have a safe, healthy weekend. Love you guys.